How to fix Messenger video call earphones not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to update Messenger. Launch Play Store and search for Messenger. If there is update, simply update app to the latest version. And once updated, you need to go back to home screen. Long press on Messenger. Select I button. From this app info section, tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. After clearing the cache, you need to restart your phone. Hold the power button on your device. Now swipe towards restart to ensure the settings are applied. Now you need to launch Messenger application and log back into your account. And you need to make a video call and plug in your earphones, and your issues should be resolved. The earphones should work properly during the call. So that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.